Enjoy your iPhone apps in your Buick vehicle with wireless Apple CarPlay. While in park, check that your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active and in discoverable mode. Start by tapping the Apple CarPlay icon, then Pair Phone. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings. Select your vehicle's name. Tap Pair on both screens. Enable the terms of use on your center display. Then, accept the wireless prompt on your phone. Once paired, Apple CarPlay will launch automatically and you can access your apps. You can also use your phone's USB cable to initiate a wireless connection. Just connect your phone's USB cable into your vehicle's USB port. Then follow the prompts on your phone to connect wirelessly on your next drive. Visit Buick.com/support for more details.